Hello and welcome to another video. As you can see, it's a little bit packed in here because we're just back from the racetrack, and we need to change tires and fill up spare stuff and fix some other parts. Mainly the car's already fixed, but we have one upgrade I wanted to show you. It's actually just a few metal parts, and it's made by the company I can't name. Daniel, he became a close friend over the years. They found some interesting issues, and let me show that to you. One of the main issues is, one of the issues we found, or they found, is this one. As you can see, they are quite loose, and you can move them around quite freely, which isn't ideal, obviously. And I think they are already on their second set. So they made these, and the only thing they do is they go right here. This one is going right here, and the other one is gonna secure this one to that bolt. And that's basically all they do. They secure the coils, and which is quite important if you want to have constant sparks. So that makes a lot of sense, and they are quite easy to install. So I'm gonna put you guys somewhere so you can watch, and I'm gonna install these real quick and then show you again how much they still can move. As you can see, they can move quite easily, especially this one right here, that's very loose, and this one here as well. You can see the whole bolt is shaking. So that was it. What does the video show? Yeah, took me like 5 minutes to install. It's a very quick fix. Everything fits quite nicely, as all parts of them do. Quick look. It's basically just these braces right here and one that's connected to here, and as you can see, they are not moving at all, which is quite nice. Very well made. They had some inspiration, obviously, but it's very well made, and it does look quite nice, and it works perfectly fine. So if you're going to the track regularly, that might be something you want to look into. We're gonna put it in our shop as well for all the guys from Switzerland, and all the other guys feel free to order directly from HN Racing in Germany. We have a few in stock, I think 4 or 5 something. So if you want some, just hit me up and or just order it in our web shop. Maybe I have it online already before this video airs, not sure yet. That's basically it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good week. Goodbye.